In this video, you will learn how to improve Snapchat camera quality iPhone. So in this video, I'll show you 3 methods on how to fix this problem. So the first method is after you open up your phone now, before you start recording, now go ahead and clean the lens of your iPhone. So as you can see now, if this is your iPhone, now go and clean the lens. Use a good tissue or clean tissue to clean the lens of your iPhone like this. After you clean the back lens, if you want to use the back camera, so you can use, if you want to use the front camera, you can use a good track or a good tissue to clean the lens of your front camera. After you clean the lens of your front camera and back camera, the next thing is now open up your Snapchat. After you open Snapchat like this now tap on this little arrow. So from this session, you'll be able to see different options, but these are the only 2 important things to improve your camera of your Snapchat. So as you can see now, the first one, it says focus. So if you enable this focus, now it will give you it will allow you to focus on what you want to record. If you want to record like something on your camera, so by enabling this this focus mode, it will just focus on the object that you want to record. The next thing is, as you can see now, this grid option. So if you enable this grid, as you can see now, this one, this will give you option now to position the object that you want to record in center of your camera. As you can see now, it will give me some line. As you can see now, here is line, here is line, here is line, here is line. So if you want to position what you want to record in center, so you can just go ahead and enable this option. So the last thing to improve your camera of your Snapchat in iPhone or in Android, all the steps are all the same. Just go ahead and choose a good filter. Snapchat has provided different filter for you. Just go ahead and choose a good filter for your video. So after you select a good filter for your video, from there you can go ahead now and record your video with an improved camera. That's it, guys, on how to improve camera quality in iPhone or Android. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.